Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Monday. All of the major U.S. indices ended higher today, with the small cap Russell 2000 up by the most, nearly 1.7%, followed by the NASDAQ 100, which rose around 1%. The S&P 500 and the Dow each rose by more than 0.5% on the day. Now, taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, 10 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher, with consumer discretionary up by the most, almost 1.4%. Energy was the sole sector to close in the red, down around 0.2% as crude oil dropped 1.2%. Looking at some stocks on the move, IRBT hit a new all-time low, plunging nearly 9% after its merger with Amazon was terminated. The company said it was due to EU regulatory hurdles. IRBT said separately that its CEO would step down and the company would cut 350 jobs, which is about 31% of its workforce. Meanwhile, Amazon shares ended up more than 1%. SOFI soared more than 20% higher today, its largest increase since July 31st. The company reported quarterly results that beat expectations and posted its first ever quarterly profit. The lending segment in particular posted huge jumps in volumes, with student loan originations rising around 95% year over year and home loan originations soaring 193% from a year ago. And FanDuel online sports betting parent FLUT began trading on the New York Stock Exchange today as a secondary listing under the ticker FLUT. Good timing with the Super Bowl less than 2 weeks away. Its primary listing is on the London Stock Exchange, and the company's CEO believes the NYSE is the natural home since the U.S. is expected to contribute the largest portion of profits. FLUT shares ended the session slightly higher. Let's take a look at what to watch for tomorrow. For data, we'll see JOLTS and consumer confidence at 10 a.m. Eastern and the first day of the FOMC meeting. And then for earnings, pre-market, we'll hear from Pfizer, General Motors, UPS, and Pulte Group. Post-market, we'll hear from Microsoft, Alphabet, AMD, and Starbucks. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.